Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have to explain you what is ngFor loop and how can we use that. So for this I have to create an array and render that array using ngFor loop, and also I have to create an array of object and render that value with index value like numbering systems, and also I have to render a object using ngFor loop. So what is the ngFor loop? So mainly ngFor loop is a structured directive and it is used for iterating over a collection of data and rendering a template for each item in the collection. And it's a versatile tool that can handle various scenarios from simple array to complex nested array. And it is not limited only with array. It is we can also use for object. So let's check how can we use that. I have already created Angular project, so go to that project, and firstly we go to app component.ts file. In ts file we define a one array like items, type is a string of array, and here we define a item 1, item 2, oh sorry, item 2, item 3. Save it, and after that you go to copy these items and go to the HTML file, and here I have a render a list. So for list create a UL, inside UL li, here we type asterisk ng for equals to let list of items. So here in list you can add you can define any variables like list, like item, like anything. So I have write list and go to previous video I have explored interpolation. So use interpolation, means double curly braces, and copy that variable and paste it here and save it. Go to the browser. So yeah, so item 1, item 2 and item 3. So next question is how can we get index of value? So here simply comma let I equals to index. Save it, and here we rent index value. So I plus 1, because I value, first value is 0 and add 1, so first value is 1. So that's why we add plus 1. Yeah, 1, 2 and 3. Now move to how can you render a array of object like product list is a value is name, mobile and id is 1. Second object is name, laptop and id is 2. Save it. Again we render a UL li strict ng for let product of, copy this variable and paste it here, use double curly braces, interpolation, copy this variable product and using dot notation you can fetch it. ID, name, product dot name, save it. Go to the browser. Yeah, so ID is 1 and name is mobile, ID is 2, name is laptop. Okay, and again, no, it is not limited only with array. You can also use object like my object. Here first name is a string type zone, and last name is Joe, and age is 30. So how can we render that object using ngFor loop? So go to the HTML file, define one div asterisk ngFor equals to let list of, copy that object name, add pipe like key value, and here use interpolation like list dot key, it returns a key, and list dot value, it returns a key's value. So let's check with this. So age is 30, first name John and last name Doe. So thank